Hey. Hey.
A little chilly.
How are ya?
It
is Chilly Willy out here. My name is Chilly Willy.
That's where I was going.
Through.
Yeah.
Chilly Willy the pen when I shake until I'm blue.
Dude, that's old school. Woody Woodpecker.
I've got a hoodie. CJ's got a hoodie. Freaking.
It's cool.
Welcome to the show, guys. My name is CJ. This is CJ's first cooking show. I'm a dad who loves to cook. Behind this camera is Nate.
You forgot who I was
terrible
already?
cook.
You forgot who I
over
was.
there's Ethan.
What's up, E?
And we're gonna have ourselves a good time on the set today.
Maybe.
This is a special day on the set.
It is.
We're gonna honor
We have a guest.
the one,
The
only Blake Sacagawea. Oh, maybe it's on the case. Samsonite.
I was way off.
This guy is the winner.
The
winner
The
of the
official.
Golden Spatula Great Griddle Off. Blake, take it away.
Hi, my name is Blake Sykora. I'm from Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin, and I made the Wisconsin Cheesesteak.
If you haven't heard it a million times already, congratulations. So today I'm gonna be recreating Blake's Wisconsin
What is
cheesesteak.
it? Meaty, sausagey, vegetable-y,
All those-
cheesy.
All right, so we're gonna, whoa, Blake. Actually,
almost-
let's let Blake do
Okay.
it. Blake, take us with the ring and bring it, bro.
It's time to ring it and bring it.
All right.
There he is.
All right. Okay, so full disclosure, I've never made this recipe before.
True. As in most of your food, you're kind of winging it.
Yes, so this is completely appropriate, but I do know this. The first thing we're gonna do with this Wisconsin cheesesteak and get started on the cheese. First thing we're gonna do is set our pan on our Blackstone, put that in the back and tuck away the arm outside of the actual griddle because it's gonna get really, really hot. We're gonna put this on low, and to that we're gonna add some Velveeta cheese. That high class bottom shelf cheese, which is delicious. Then we've got some sharp cheddar. We're gonna add that to our Velveeta. Of course, we're gonna do a little bit of milk. And then, of course, this wouldn't be beer cheese without... Where's the beer? Okay, dude. That is it. That's
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
Audible? Audible moment right here?
I don't know. Why?
No, I'm just telling you. I think
What?
I'm gonna go ahead
That's
and
not in the recipe, CJ.
pre-dust. I know. Audible. Like I said. Blake,
right.
do you mind? Do you mind if I go ahead and do this?
Okay.
We're gonna go pretty
Wow.
liberal. There we go. All right. That's gonna sit. Let's get to the other business. The other business being sausages,
How long a name is sausages, Turkish?
bratwurst.
Oh wait, Turkish. I blew it.
You blew it! You blew it! I rarely ever eat bratwursts. We're gonna butterfly these, and the reason we're doing that is because we are going to open these up and cook them, split down. Yeah, that's the term. That way we get some texture on the inside and the outside.
Okay.
This is also gonna let it cook a lot quicker.
Oh,
I'm
did you
guessing.
Did you get a boo-boo? Did you get a
I
little
did. I
Did you get a
did.
boo?
I did.
I'll tell you this,
got
it's not
boo-boo.
as cool of a story as you would think. I'll give you one part of the story.
Okay.
I was at the chiropractor. I kid you not.
I get them from my chiropractor.
I'm gonna go ahead and crank this zone up to medium, and I am gonna put this guy, Butterflied, open, face down, along with our second one.
Okay. I see where we're going.
Do you see?
Where Blake's from
I can
Minnesota.
see clearly now the rain is gone.
Who's Lorraine? Where's Blake from again?
Dude, he's from Wisconsin,
Oh, that's right, Wisconsin.
because it's the Wisconsin cheesesteak, so it would
So he had to
only
have
make
some
sense.
inspiration from the sausage.
Yes, yeah, absolutely. Truthfully, like Blake, give me some other inspiration how you came up with this recipe.
The inspiration for my cheesesteak kind of came from seeing what other people were doing with sausages at that time, where they were butterflying them open, putting peppers and onions and cheese on top, and it's like, dang, that looks good. And started thinking, how can I turn my spin on something with Wisconsin? And so I could do the peppers, onions, the brat, throw in some shaved beef, throw in some beer cheese and some homemade sauerkraut. It was born.
All right, we've got a moment. Those are gonna take a bit, probably about 8 to 10 minutes based on the recipe to cook. What we've got next are some bell peppers and some onions. Turns out, I mean, everybody knows this. I've spent some time in Philly.
You looking
I'm with the folk.
Anyone paying attention?
My Cousin, he told me that over there in Philly.
You hear about this, the Oscar set?
They are not a fan
Uh,
of bell peppers and onions on their cheesesteak, but the recipe calls for it. So, Wisconsin cheesesteak, we've got our bell peppers. We're gonna julienne up some red bell pepper, some green bell pepper, and some yellow onion. Give that all a good chop, and we're gonna put that on our griddle, probably with a little bit of olive oil, some salt and pepper.
smell amazing.
Bro,
It never fails.
it never fails. Bell peppers and onions sauteing, caramelizing is amazing. All right, so while we're over here, let's go ahead and have a look at our sausages.
Oh, buongiorno, boys.
Hello. Buongiorno, boy. Oh, wait, it wouldn't be buongiorno.
Why not?
I don't know, it's more German. Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen. Bye, Sonny.
Bye, Sonny.
So I beat you to it.
Dang it!
So early. You guys want to get some coffee or something?
You know what we haven't done for a minute?
What?
We have not rang, nor have we brang.
Can we just replay Blake's? Blake, ring it and bring it.
It's time to ring it or bring it.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay.
Thank
you.
Mmm, so creamy.
So creamy, so yummy. I'm gonna crank my heat up. Let's go down with some beef, dude.
Boof, the
You
Shia.
guys ready for that? I'm gonna actually do this in the sausage fat as well.
Oh, look at you.
Well,
Dude, you know what I saw the other day?
What?
Angus.
What do you mean, Angus?
The movie. Do you remember Angus? It's so
You just
good.
tripped me out. I have not thought about that since the last time I saw it.
I'm swallowing snot. It doesn't taste like gross.
So I'm gonna add some kosher salt, some coarse black pepper, and then I'm gonna start doing some mid-dusting. It's an opportunity for
Midsummer
the
stuff.
for a little midsummer dust. You know, while I'm over here, let's throw some of this on the peppers and onions.
Look at all this dusting going on.
It's a mess around here. Somebody get a dust buster.
Here's a lovely little piece from the 1980s.
Oh yeah!
I have a quaint little piece from the 1980s. It's called a dustbuster.
Let's talk about this. This was shaved ribeye. I don't know why I didn't mention this earlier. I had the grocery store. I had the butcher. The butcher.
Now, Charlie tells me you're a butcher.
Yes, I am a butcher.
I had the butcher shave down a ribeye for me. Leave all the fat on there because that's where all the flavor's at. It's delicious.
Did you ask for your opinion, or did you just take his word for it?
Took his word for it.
You,
But it's...
and then there was the
it's-
thing.
But
But you
obviously...
knew it. Okay.
No, it's got to be your bowl.
I don't know when the last time I had sauerkraut was.
Actually, on the heat, it kind of stings the nostrils.
Stings the nostrils. Honestly, sauerkraut reminds me of my childhood. My mom used to make sausage and sauerkraut.
Yeah.
And you know what?
What?
I hated it.
Your mom's probably watching.
I know she's watching, and Mom, I love you, but I freaking hated sausage and sauerkraut. But that's neither here
Blake
nor...
had an award-winning recipe, so we got to try
He
it the way
did.
he did.
This is awesome. I'm excited to see this all done.
yeah,
But
Blake,
actually,
don't take it personal. Jeez.
you know what? Let's get personal for a second. Obviously, you've watched the show a time or two, maybe. I hope.
Maybe.
I'd like to believe. What's your favorite episode of mine? Not episode. What's your favorite recipe of mine?
My favorite dish of CJ's would definitely have to be burnt bacon. I'm just so kidding, buddy. Just kidding. But honestly, top 3 dish of all time cooked on the Blackstone would be your bourbon chicken.
Bourbon chicken, dude. It's awesome. The flamage,
Yeah,
the tastes.
the flamage.
The flamage is the thing.
Flamage.
Hey, speaking of flamage, we are cruising over here. I'm going to stir my beef here in just a second. But
Toasty.
I have got
You making one?
some
You're making
rolls.
2?
I'm making 2, bro.
One for me,
One for you and...
half for Ethan, and
Yeah, who cares about him? That dude
Okay.
lives on the dark side of the moon anyway.
Hey CJ, did you know that the dark side of the moon actually syncs so perfectly with the Wizard of Oz? It's led many to believe that they did it on purpose.
Well, I assume they did. I've heard that, like, tons. You know that, right?
yeah, the Wizard
That's
of
not
Oz
like a
is-
weird fact. Everybody
Well-
knows that.
Did you know that Nick Mason actually quelled those rumors, saying that they intended it for the Sound of Music instead?
Wizard of Oz. That's all I heard.
With the sound of music.
Why did we both go so deep?
I don't know.
That's okay.
Okay, cool. Kill?
Should we try to harmonize?
I'm willing to bet my bread is ready to come off. Oh,
Dude.
thank the good Lord. I didn't burn it. That is a normal thing for me, so.
I wouldn't have even thought you were going to burn it.
You were betting on it.
No, I had the utmost faith in you.
No. To build this monstrous sandwich, of course, right after our sausage, we're gonna do a little bit of that warmed up sauerkraut. Dude, you smell it? Smells so good. On top of that, we're gonna do some shaved ribeye, and then on top of that, some of the bell peppers and the onions. Let's add its own version of a sheen. This wicked beer cheese. Bro,
melty drizz.
Melty drizz all over that sucker.
Someone told me not to say that in the comments recently.
The drizz is a little weird. There's only one more thing to do.
There's more?
All right, bro, let me know.
Did Blake post dust?
Blake, do you approve of the post dust at the very least?
I definitely approve of the post dust.
Due to Blake's approval, the post dust is a must. Bow, bow, bow. The post dust is a must.
You keep trying to make fetch work. It's just not going to work.
Stop trying to make fetch happen. It's not going to happen.
All right, dude, I think we did it. Blake,
did it.
Blake, you did it.
We redid it.
We're riding your culinary coattails. And this is it, the Wisconsin Cheesesteak. Let's go ahead and cut this and get into it. I'm gonna cut this in half, dude. You and I are gonna share this
This is a
one.
glorious mess, Blake.
Yeah.
Wow. Come on. Give me.
Get it.
I
want it.
Whoa.
Whoa.
The beard did not survive.
Nah,
Way to
dude.
go, Blake.
Nah, dude.
This is a beard killer.
Whoa! That beer cheese sauce was unreal. That sauerkraut. I'm not gonna lie.
Surprised? Came up and snuck up on you?
I'm pleasantly surprised. This was delicious. Leave it in the comments below. Do you love sauerkraut or not?
Yes. Oh wait.
In the comments.
Okay.
Leave it in the comments
I'm just
down
gonna
below.
write yes in your comments.
But speaking of comments,
Is
it's that time.
It is.
Blake,
We're here.
it's that time. Will you please do us the honor and send us into...
It's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Welcome to this segment
There he is.
of the show. Blake, thanks for bringing us here. This is the part of the show where I screenshot comments from you, the viewers.
Ooh, you write it.
We read it. So we're going to start from the top in no particular order. They could be nice.
They could be not so nice. They could be friggin' hilarious.
This one is friggin' hilarious and not so nice.
Both.
On Facebook, Tom or Thom, Tom says, CJ's not enjoyable anymore. It's turned into a joke. Can't learn a thing from these posts.
Wait, there's something to be said here. Not funny anymore, which means you used to be funny. It's now turned into a joke. So the jokes used to be funny, now you're the joke because you changed. I think he's secretly still a big fan.
Jeez, that was a stretch.
I'm gonna take that as a compliment. Whether you're funny now or you were funny before, you were funny at some point, and that's all that matters.
Put it with the funny business. Here we go. This next one, another not nice one.
Oh man.
Comes from B. Davies. Says, too many clips, bro.
That's
Too many movie clips, bro. Less is more?
More or less.
Nah, dude.
Yeah.
All right, this is great. This comes from Todd B. He says, hey, CJ, when Nate says stuff like, quote, oh, you're going to season now,
Yeah.
he's really saying you're seasoning too early, too late, or basically you're doing it wrong. Quite passive-aggressive. Sorry, buddy.
Here's the thing.
You're right, Todd.
No.
You are freaking
No.
right, Todd.
No.
It's his way of like,
I'm here to help
so that's
you.
how you're going to eat it, or that's how you're going to do it. Oh, I didn't realize that's
fine
how
for
you were
some-
going to cook it that way.
It's fine for some people to live their life the way they want to live their life. It's fine for you to season when you want to season.
Hey Todd, I'm gonna ring it for you simply because I agree with you.
I hear the sarcasm in his voice. He's really saying thanks, Nate, for helping CJ.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, this next one comes from Randy Bachmeyer. Why wouldn't you get a Randy Jackson signature?
You're not gonna not get Randy Jackson's autograph, right?
He says, I have a bell just like that, and I'm stealing Ring It and Bring It.
No, you don't have to steal
Randy, no need to steal, my friend.
No.
Ring It and Bring It was born for the people, by the people.
Because that's what I am, and that's who I care about.
A little late, but welcome to the party.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay. Well, speaking of being late.
All right, this comes from Robert Reed. He says, what the bell, CJ?
What the bell?
That's maybe a shirt or a sticker.
Come on, what the? E on point over there. Yeah. Nailed it.
This one comes from Fernando. He says, when I saw the recipe, the first thing that comes to my mind was, go ahead, make my day.
Okay.
Well, here's another nice mess you've gotten me into. Love the show, love the quotes, and love the chemistry that you and Nate have.
Oh, he's a
CJ's
friend.
first cooking show becomes really fast my favorite cooking show. Keep up the amazing work.
Cheers to you, Fernando.
Fernando! You almost missed it. You guys didn't see it. Ethan was eating and he ran to the bow. I got it though. Got him! Got him! Thanks guys so much for hanging out. I appreciate it. Either way, Blake, thank you for the inspiration. To you, good sir, we tip our hat. The Golden Spatula winner. Well played, well done on the Wisconsin Cheesesteak. Before we go, right behind me you see I've got a board. No, right behind me you see I've got a board. So it's the board. Right here, first off, TD's Brew and Barbecue. He's a freaking rock star. He makes some amazing seasonings and sauces. This one came from my boy, Daniel. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw this up here. This is CJ's OGB, the OG board. The original gangsters or the original griddlers? That's it. Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com to gather all kinds of recipes, see all kinds of fun stuff that's on sale and available for you guys. Speaking of sale,
griddlenation.com.
Go to griddlenation.com. You can get this t-shirt. You can get...
Really? Seriously?
You can get this t-shirt.
You're a walking billboard.
Be sure to go check out Todd's show, Betty's show, Nate's show, Bruce's show, Destination Delicious with Spencer and Christy, who were on on my set recently, and we had a really, really good time. Also, they were on Nate's set, and at the very end of the episode, she goes, gosh, we should come back here
You don't
and
have
let
to say it.
CJ cook for us more often.
She didn't actually say that.
She actually said
Sorry,
that.
she didn't actually mean it.
She meant it.
She didn't.
Her heart
She didn't.
was overflowing and bubbling. With that very wonderful thing I say...
She didn't.
Bong.